Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Shafts and Shots. Today we're going to teach you how to grease your 1350 Extreme Duty CV drive shafts. Learn where the zerks are, what tools to use, and how often you should grease them. After that, we'll have a nice shot of one of these whiskeys over here. So please subscribe to our channel to get some extra tips on drive shafts. James here from Adams Driveshaft. Tonight we're going to teach you how to grease your 1350 Extreme Duty drive shafts. We have a rear and we have a front. On the rear we have two zerks. We have one in the pin and we have one here in the slip yoke. Now the one in the pin is a little tough to find. So we have this here to show you. It has a flat zerk in it. You have to turn it and find it. It's right there. Flat zerk looks like this. And in order to get to this flat zerk, you need to get a needle. Now we buy this off of Snap-on. It's well worth the money, lasts a long time. Cool part about it, it snaps right onto your gun and you're good to go. This is what it looks like. We'll put a link in there. Go ahead and buy it off that link if you like. So now let's get the greasing. So when it's in your vehicle, you have to turn it until you find that zerk. Stick that needle in there, give it 3 or 4 pumps till you hear it go, then you know you're good to go there. We take this off, we go to the slip yoke. Slip yoke takes 3 or 4 pumps or so. Go ahead and grease that till you see it come out the pinhole of the slip yoke. Now over here on the flange, it also has a pinhole right here. So you want to make sure you got enough grease in there. You can always take a tool, stick it right there behind the U-joint. If you got zerk on your tool or grease on your tool, you know you got it. So let's move on to the front. On the front, unfortunately right now, you have one zerk, and that's in the slip yoke. Grease it the same you would on the rear. 3 or 4 pumps until you see it come out the pinhole. And you're good to go. As of now, there ain't a manufacturer I know of that makes a greasable 2-inch pin. They all look just like this. So we can make you one. It just, we'd have to charge it about $30 more, because what we'd have to do is take a 2.5 pin like this that has the zerk in it. We'd have to build it like this, put it in the lathe, center everything, machine this down to this size. Then we can go ahead and do that. If you guys want that, you can always call us. We can do that for you. If you buy a heavy duty one with greasable joints, which we really don't recommend because they're hollow, they're not as strong, you grease it, debris can get in it. But if you prefer that, you would have a zerk here, another zerk here to grease your U-joints. With that being said, the first 5 people who want to subscribe and who put a comment in there will win this badass shot glass from Shafts and Shots and Adams Driveshaft. Now let's go get our drink on. So Ryan Maxfield stopped by with his friend Nate Hurst. Brought me this High West whiskey. So I thought, let's try it on this episode. Smell a little caramel. Wow, that's really good. It's got a little bite at the end. Make a good Manhattan. So, if you liked this episode of Shafts and Shots and you thought it was very interesting, go ahead, hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss the next episode of me having a shot and getting a good buzz. Word.